Welcome to the Pressplay Lifestyle AI-Inspired Podcast. We help software as a service, SaaS, startup founders to learn and implement artificial intelligence, AI, better, faster, and cheaper to grow their businesses using the Founders AI Enablement Suite. Today's podcast is based on the principle of integrating AI into the human resources, HR, functions of your SaaS startup. By the end of this podcast, we promise that you will understand how to use AI to make your HR functions more efficient and productive, which will ultimately help you create a more cohesive, well-functioning team and organization. The key principle we're discussing today is the use of AI in HR. Just as AI is transforming other areas of business, it is also revolutionizing HR. It's becoming an essential tool in recruiting, performance management, employee engagement, and more. AI can help HR become more strategic and efficient, allowing your startup to get the most out of its most valuable asset, its people. How does AI transform HR? Firstly, AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up HR professionals to focus on more strategic initiatives. Secondly, AI can help HR professionals make better decisions by providing insights from data that would be impossible to analyze manually. Thirdly, AI can personalize the employee experience, providing each individual with tailored resources and support. The application of AI in HR is a prime example of the innovative spirit that's needed to survive and thrive in the startup world. By harnessing the power of AI, you can make HR a competitive advantage for your startup. So, how can you start implementing AI in your HR processes? Let's walk through a playbook of 7 steps to guide you. Step number 1. Identify the HR tasks that could be improved with AI, like candidate screening or employee engagement surveys. Step number 2. Research the available AI tools that could help you accomplish these tasks more efficiently and effectively. Step number 3. Select the AI tools that best fit your startup's needs and budget. Step number 4. Introduce the selected AI tools to your HR team and provide them with the necessary training to use them effectively. Step number 5. Monitor the impact of the AI tools on your HR processes, measuring improvements in efficiency, employee satisfaction, and other relevant metrics. Step number 6. Use the insights gathered from the AI tools to make improvements in your HR policies and processes. Step number 7. Stay updated on the latest developments in AI and HR, continually looking for new ways to leverage AI to improve your HR functions. Now, to help you reflect on the principle of integrating AI into HR, here are 3 prompts. Prompt number 1. Think about the current state of your HR functions. Where are the areas of inefficiency that could benefit from AI? Prompt number 2. Reflect on your startup's culture and values. How can AI help you reinforce these elements in your HR processes? Prompt number 3. Envision the future of HR in your startup. How does AI fit into this picture? Embracing AI in your HR processes can lead to significant improvements in efficiency, employee satisfaction, and overall business performance. By making HR more strategic and data-driven, you're not just improving one function of your startup, you're creating a stronger, more cohesive organization that's poised for success.